Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zendesk Sell email to lead settings step by step clearly. To install Zendesk Sell email to lead settings, start by logging into your Zendesk Sell account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, look for the email section. Click on email to access the email settings. Next, select email to lead from the options presented. You will see an option to enable email to lead functionality. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. After enabling, you will need to set up a unique email address for lead capture. Type in the desired email address for your leads. Make sure this email address is one you have access to. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, go to your email client and open the email account you just set up. Create a new email that you want to use for testing the lead capture. Include all necessary information, such as the lead's name, email, and any other pertinent details. Send the email to the unique address you set up in Zendesk Sell. Return to Zendesk Sell and check the lead section. You should see the new lead appear shortly after sending the email. If the lead does not appear, double-check the email address in settings. Make any necessary adjustments before testing again. Once confirmed, your email to lead settings are successfully installed. Now, you're ready to start capturing leads directly from your email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.